I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you would have just seen, I filmed my intro in time-lapse, so let me set the scene for you. It's early on a Sunday morning. I've just met up with Stuart and we're heading to North Weald Airfield for a car show, so let's get on the road. We're just waiting in the queue now to get into the airfields, and it looks so busy already. There's loads of supercars, classic cars. There's a van up there. Oh, and there's Anglia. Yeah, boy. Anglia there, just going in. I've also already seen a Mark II Escort Mordor and
Granada.
Yeah, we saw a Granada as well. So yeah, this looks like it's going to be very busy. Look at that. Hey, that's cool. Just got here and it is so busy, so let's get out of the car and see what everyone's brought out on this foggy Sunday morning. Series 2 RS Turbo, loving the number plate. Loving the Nova, although a hatchback I'm loving even more is this Mark I Fiesta. Look at that. Set of banded stills. Don't know how wide they are, but wider than mine. A little bit of a green section going on. It's 2 Mark I Escorts. Really nice. I think that's Le Mans green. Same colour as my dad's Mark I Escort when he had it as his first car. It didn't say green for long though, because he painted it black. Proper good selection of classic Fords here today. Another Mark I Escort, brave in the weather. Well, it's not range yet, so that's a bonus. We found my twin. It's got some Recaros in it. No stickers at the back at all. Nice and clean this is. Even though you can see my reflection, got some Recaros in there. They actually match the interior quite nicely. A couple of Anglias. Very nice. This one looks like it's spec'd up to be on track. Cage in the back, harnesses on the seats. Tidy. Another Series 2 Escort RS Turbo. Cars are just still coming in. I haven't really shown you guys how big it is here, but it's starting to get pretty rams now. Look at this thing, roll cage in it. The most underrated car here. James is giving it some love. Me and Stuart spotted this Granada at the services earlier. Had a little chat to the bloke. Proper nice car. Was it 2.9 Cosworth in it or something, wasn't it? Nice. Oh yes. Check that out. Might not be able to see these Recaros too well, but this is the sort of stitching I really like on them. They're neat. Man, nice. This Mordor Escort is making me want to get mine on the roads more than ever. More than ever. This is Brian's Mark II Escort. I've been watching him recommission this recently on Instagram. Got an MOT on it. It's polished up all the paintwork and that. Put some pepper pots on it. Lowering springs. Yeah, I really like it. Just checking out this RS2000. It's absolutely mint. But yeah, I was just checking out the radiator, and even like the RS2000s have like the cutout to allow for the radiator and that. Absolutely stunning. Daniel's joined the party and all the Fiestas are reunited now. Managed to get my car poppy that I've been hunting for. There we go, that's better, isn't it? The Mordor Escort's for sale. It's a left-hand drive. 7 grand. There you go. Just checking out this original Mark III Escort. James pointed out it's even got original steering look there. Check out the Anglia. Probably the first time I've seen a Cosworth turbo engine in one of these. Sits in there quite well. That's nice. Checking out this Cortina supercharged Honda engine. We're in McDonald's car park and it's been taken over by classic cars. There's that Granada that we saw earlier. Got a Capri over there, 4-pop. Me and Lauren are just leaving the breakfast meet which was held at Northwheel's Airfield. I've got to say I was shocked with the amount of cars that turned out on a cold, misty November morning. There was supercars, classic cars, modern cars, literally there was a bit of everything. I managed to capture all of the classic Fords and anything else that caught my eye. But yeah, I was really impressed with the turnout. It was for a great cause as well, the Poppy Appeal, and it was Remembrance Sunday today, so we done our 2-minute silence. But yeah, I just really enjoyed it, and what a location. You could fit so many cars there. I think they even had to use like an overflow bit of grass. But yeah, I'll definitely be returning in the summer next year. Overall, it was great to come out today, catch up with the boys, and also let the Mark II Fiesta stretch its legs because I haven't driven it in about a month or so now. With that all being said, if you did enjoy the video, please give it a like, and if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel to see more. Thank you all for watching, and until the next one, we'll see you guys later.
I don't like Chinese curry tops. The silver lids.
Weirdo.
Hi guys, Mark II Mitch here. Been to another absolutely brilliant show today. Just here with my girlfriend Soph. Yes, yes. We've got the real Mark II Mitch back there. Come on, dude. They got me double chins on now. Where is he? Where is the boy? Where are you? Get out. See here, we got a Ford. We got another Ford. And we got another Ford. Come on.